Is Audius a way to make big money by listening to music and by uploading music, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this platform and want to know if it really is a way to earn. And let me just reveal right away, you can potentially, but there are some important details you just need to consider to find out if this is the right option for you. So in this Audius review, I'll give you an inside look. I will explain both the pros and the cons and exactly how it works so you can find out if you should join this or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what Audius is and who can join. So what it is, if you scroll down on the website, you can see it's basically a music streaming platform, and they say it's built for all musicians and not just those signed to labels. So that means that both if you're a musician and you have music, you can potentially earn here, but you can also earn as someone just wanting to listening to music, and I will explain more about what you can earn and the potential benefits of that a little bit later once I log in. But also you just need to of course know who can join, and you can join from more or less all countries. There might be some countries it's not available in due to local crypto restrictions and other restrictions. I cannot guarantee that, but it is available in a lot of countries, and you can join on the website and use the website, which is what I will show you now, but it also has an app for iOS devices and for Android devices, as you can see on the website. But let's then talk a little bit more about what Audius is and how you potentially can earn. So before I log in and show you how you can earn Audius, because you will earn Audius, which is a cryptocurrency, they have its own cryptocurrency, and you can see it actually has a real value. It is already existing, it is a cryptocurrency, you can potentially take out, you can sell it, and this is the current value, but as it is with cryptos, it can go up and down. And if you look at the all-time prices there, you can see that it actually at some point was all the way up to $4 for one Audius. Now it is down as the whole market is, but this is just to show that it is actually a real cryptocurrency. And if you go to the market, you can also see that there are quite a lot of the big exchanges where you can buy and sell it, which is definitely great in case you earn it and you want to sell it. It's important to know that this is an option. So that's what I first want to go. So let me now log in and show you how you can earn. So once you're inside, whether it's the app or the website, there's a lot of different music. You can choose to subscribe to different artists and listen to their music. You can also potentially earn by doing that. But also there are other ways to earn. So you just need to basically listen to music. That's the main way. It is a streaming platform. So it's a way to get access to music for free and listening to it. So that's one thing. If you don't really like that aspect of it, then you shouldn't join it just to earn if you don't really like listening to music. But let's also show you then how you can earn, because it's not just by listening that way there. It's not quite how it works. So as you can see, there's something called claim rewards, and you need to click this to go to the different earning options. And then you have different options here, and you can complete tasks to earn this. For example, right now, and this is important to understand, these tasks, it comes and goes which ones are available. New ones are added once in a while, others will be removed. So this is not something that will necessarily be for you. Maybe there will be other tasks, but you can see, for example, if you upload 3 tracks, that means you need to, if you're an artist, you need to upload 3 tracks, and then you will earn 1 audio there, the cryptocurrency. If you invite friends, you can see then you also can earn 1 for both you and your friend, but this is only 5 people you can invite, so it's quite limited to other referral programs. You see, if you get the app, you see then also you will earn if you link verified accounts. You see listening strikes there, how many days you listen in a row, complete your profile. So these are the way as a listener you can earn, and as I mentioned, new ones will be added regularly, but as you can see, it also has some limitations. It's not where you can just keep listening and then earning every time you listen to a song. That's not quite how it works. The biggest earning potential is for the different creators, because you can see there are different contests, different competitions and things like that they can participate in, and you can help them also earn. So it's a great way to support artists if you want to, but they have information about that. But what can you then do with the audio you win, whether it's as an artist or whether it's as someone listening to the music and participating in the different tasks you can do? Let's go over that next. So once you earn, you can connect a wallet and then you can take your earnings out. You can see the wallets that you currently can connect. So this is a way where you can connect. You can see, for example, personally, I use MetaMask a lot. You just need to click there to connect it. If you have it installed in your browser, you can take it out that way. And from there, you can, for example, send it to one of the exchanges if you want to sell it, or you can sell it or swap it inside MetaMask or some of the other wallets. So this is what you can do, but you can also choose to keep the audio you earn or you have in here, and that can give you some other benefits we also need to talk about. You see, audio has these VIP tiers, so you need to have a certain number of audio to move to the next. And this doesn't have to be by earning it. It can also be by buying it, because it is a cryptocurrency you can buy, and you're kind of like staking it like that. This is very normal for crypto projects, that they will give you different benefits if you hold on to their token. This is a way to help it be sustainable, and it has other benefits. And you can see, for example, here that there are different tiers and the different benefits coming there depending on how many audios you have in your account there. So you need to stake a certain amount and then you will get these benefits. Many of them are not really completely clear yet what it means, but you can see that is just in general how it is. You can learn more about it if you want to see all of these different benefits, if you believe in Audius, of course, because if you want to go for one of the higher memberships, and it's like, it's not that you can earn like 100,000 audios just by listening to music or something like that, you know, that's not really realistic. So then it would be an investment. So you need to actually read a little bit about the project on the website, understand if it's something you believe in, and if it is, then you can get some benefits by having the cryptocurrency and staking it or locking it here. So overall, I think Audius is an interesting project because I haven't actually seen a streaming platform based on crypto like that before. So definitely something different, whether it's then sustainable and whether it would be good in the long run. No, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot really say that. What I can say is, of course, if you want to invest in it, you really need to do more research, read the whole white paper, make your own decisions whether this is something you think is long-term sustainable or not before you invest anything. That's how it is with any project you might want to invest in when it comes to crypto. But of course, if you just want to earn a bit by participating and things like that, then there's not so much to lose in case it ends up not being popular. But I just want to share it because a lot of people have asked me about it, and I think it's a different way to earn crypto, whether you're an artist or actually someone that just likes listening to music. So it might be for you, it might not be, but now at least you know what to expect, so then you can decide based on that. And I hope this video helped you, and if you're interested in other ways to earn cryptocurrency for free, I have a lot of videos about that. I will leave some links below to some more information so you can check out that if you're interested in that. But no matter what, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.